All right, guys, welcome back to Soai. I'm freezing my nuts off. That's the first thing. All right, so today we got an invite to a restaurant. It's called Jasmine's Caribbean Cuisine. So I was just like, yo, let's put it on our 100 list of Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York. So now that you know that I'm not paying for the meal, I'm gonna try my best to be super honest with this space. First things first though, they have a really high rating on Google. It's 4.4 stars out of 5, which I think is amazing because those reviews are coming from real people like yourself and not content creators like me. All right, so tonight I got Mo out with me and we are gonna tear up some food. What am I gonna order? I'm not quite sure. What are you gonna order?
I don't know yet, but I'm freezing.
You're freezing?
Whatever it is, it's gonna be hot.
All right, let me show you what outside looks like. It feels very Caribbean, love the colors, look beautiful. And after that, I'll take you guys on the inside. All right, so this is the outside. It looks beautiful, kind of is giving a little bit of the like a Caribbean Hispanic kind of vibe. We're on 46th Street and we are in Manhattan. There goes a sign there. I like the look of this already. It looks warm and cozy. And now we're gonna head on the inside. What are you gonna get? Pasta? All right, guys, so we are inside. Let me just say, it's nice and cozy. A little bit tight if you're thinking of bringing like a big group of people. They're gonna have to make adjustments for you, but I like how inside this restaurant looks. Like I said, it's cozy, it's vibrant. It has a nice Caribbean feel with those flowers or floral patterns. The colors are great, and there's quite a bit of people in here. A large group just left just now, so there's a couple seats, but yeah, this is telling me a lot that I should expect a lot from the food. The menu is quite small, which I like. It's small, but it has enough of the common or more popular things, so I really appreciate that. What am I gonna get? I don't know, maybe oxtail, maybe, I don't know. What you guys think?
I'm good. I'm gonna start with the codfish fritters. I'm tempted to get a cola champagne. Either that or a ting, but yeah, I really love that they have like, the menu is pretty straight to the point and it's not a lot of options, but it's just enough to like meet what you're looking for. And it seems very authentic to Caribbean cuisine, like what I'm used to, at least.
And I'm going to be getting the crab cakes that's served with a fresh corn salsa. The moment I hear salsa, it's kind of telling me like they do have that little Hispanic Caribbean thing going on there. So yeah, and that costs $22. Fortunately, again, this whole thing is comped. I told them that I want to get an extra person. So we're getting 2 complimentary appetizers, 2 entrees. Is there desserts on it? 2 desserts, and there's 2 to 4 drinks. It's pretty cool. Thank you to you guys for dropping likes, comments, sharing, and also subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. And for those who want to know, her codfish fritters is going to be costing $16. Decisions, what do I try? I ain't gonna lie, this menu looks really extensive. It looks like it has all the heavy hitters. The question is, does it taste good? All right, my drink came. I wanted to lie and say that's going to be my first taste test on the camera, but I tasted it. This thing tastes good as hell. Like, yo. It tastes like my mouth is watering. It tastes like a freshly juiced coconut with pineapple. I can't tell you if it's artificial or real flavors, but if it's artificial, it comes really close to it. It is absolutely delicious. Not getting a lot of alcohol. Why is my mouth watering like this? Not getting a lot of alcohol. It might just mean that it's a creeper. Let me make sure I mix that up because I don't think I'm tasting any alcohol whatsoever. That's what. I did not mix the alcohol in. Wow. Okay. As a virgin, this would be excellent because the flavor as a virgin with the alcohol was good. But if you like your alcohol, that is also good as well. Completely changes the taste of everything, but it's not too strong, not too weak. I get an instant kick from it. This is absolutely delicious. Thank you so much to the lady that invited me here told me that this was her favorite one. Over to Mo with her
Cola champagne.
cola champagne. Who does that?
With a side of lime. That's
With a side of lime. Oh, sorry, a side of lime. How was your soda? Is it fresh?
refreshing. Okay? Fresh.
It's fresh.
Yeah.
Just the right amount of sugar, bubbles, everything.
The right amount of cola, the right amount of champagne.
Is it really from Jamaica? Need to check that.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's bottled in Jamaica, but
Bottled in Jamaica.
it's bottled in Brooklyn. Why do you have to say that?
This for me is an easy 9.5, probably 10. Excellent.
Thank you so much for the opportunity tonight. Thank you for Jasmine for accommodating us tonight.
All right, so I'm gonna talk about the appearance first. It kind of lost me a little bit on how the shrimp looks. I mean, that's because the head is off, and I get it. This is America. They don't like seeing head on anything. But yeah, that's the first thing. And the fritters, I don't know, kind of lost me on the shape on that as well. Usually a fritters tends to be a little bit flatter, but we're gonna try it because it's really all about the taste. Good things comes in different shapes and sizes, so let's try this out.
So usually, you're right. I usually see fritters flat when I'm in Jamaica, but here, I always see them balled up like this.
Always balled up.
Yeah. I don't know, for some reason when I find fritters here, they're usually balled up like this. I only see it flat in very rare places, like a couple Golden Crust and maybe one spot in the Bronx called Lash. If they actually make fritters, I always see it like this. But I do prefer it flat, like the rounded ones. But for some reason, I think this is probably just the way they're dropping it. It's probably easier for them. Who knows?
Yeah, so she was right on that. When they scoop it, it's a lot easier to drop. You can produce a lot more, and you can do everything in the deep fryer. If you do the traditional way, you're gonna need to have like a frying pan and all of that. So I completely get it. So we're just gonna worry about the texture, the taste of it. But let me just dig into this pepper shrimp. I'm surprised.
It's pepper.
It's spicy. Are you gonna try one?
Yeah.
It's spicy, but they have managed to capture the essence of what the pepper shrimp tastes like. If they had the shell on it, I would say it would be like a 9 out of 10 there. Right now, it's like 8.5 going to 10.
Wow.
It is delicious.
That's pepper shrimp.
Right?
That's pepper shrimp.
This is pepper shrimp. It's delicious. Wow.
You could taste the Scotch bonnet. All right, it's pepper shrimp.
It's not this. It doesn't taste. It's capturing the flavor of the Scotch bonnet, and you still have the heat. It's good.
Yeah, I agree. If they kept the shell on, ooh, that'd be so good. Like it traps it in there.
Oh my god.
That's good.
I like this. Wow, it's a pleasant surprise. And the shrimp is cooked perfectly. Proper cook. And this concoction of a sauce, I could drink this. Perfect execution.
I think you could drink it, yeah. You could drink it, now I'm looking at it.
It's good.
I'd be like for the first like.
You nailed it.
You're sweating. Yeah, thank you. You're sweating.
Wow, that was delectable. I didn't hear you talk about the fritters.
Oh, because I was trying that. It's good. There's a,
Can I have one?
yeah, of course. Really, that's why I was pushing it up. I like this. It's like a chipotle aioli. There's a spice in there. I just can't put my finger on, but it's very hearty. Like, has a warm spice taste to it. It's not like what I'm used to. Sometimes you have like the onions and peppers in it and stuff like that. You don't have that. It's a more hearty taste.
Yeah. What would you have?
Can I have the jazzy pasta with the chicken?
And for me, is the lobster good?
The lobster's very good, yeah.
Versus the oxtail, which one is better?
I prefer oxtail.
Damn, I had lobster last night. I'll do the oxtail
Oxtail?
with rice and peas.
Oxtail?
Yeah, oxtail, rice and peas. So the texture of this just now, nice and soft. Traditionally, fritters, most people, I don't know if there's any way to get rid of it, but most people have a problem with too much oil in the fritter. So let's try this one.
Is that what you want? You guys let him pick this out.
Has more of a texture like crab cake.
Well said.
Yeah. It's not bad, but it's not what I'm used to. And it has a very, like a warm spice in it. I just can't put my finger on what it is.
It's definitely not bad. And I think it has all those nice, for me, a good fritter, the edge of it is crispy.
Yeah.
And then the inside is nice and, soft, a little bit doughy. And this has that, but something's a little bit different. Is it good? Yes. Have I had better? Yes. Well, this is what's left of the sauce. So
You could dip it in there too.
she said, "Oh, you wait." I think if you never had a fritter before, you're gonna love the sauce. But if you're a traditionalist, you would say no to the sauce. But this sauce, I ain't gonna lie, they hit with that pepper shrimp. Pepper shrimp is really good. That's that. So far, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. All right, so I came to the bar area to show you guys if you're interested in coming to have a great drink like this pina colada, they do have a bar area which is pretty extensive. All your white rums, your brown rums, your bourbons, your vodkas. Yeah, I absolutely love the vibe of this place. I can't say too much. It's cute, really, really cute, really island vibes, music, the people, and I think it's very diverse. I'm not just seeing Jamaican people, I'm seeing Americans, I'm seeing Caucasians, I'm seeing a bit of Hispanic. That's a vibe for me. I didn't hear any oohs, ahs.
Hot. Sorry.
All right. Hot. So as she continues to get burned by her food, yes, the food comes nice, hot, fresh. Here I have my oxtail with rice and peas. I'm over these flowers, bro. Like, I'm tired of it. As I was saying, I have my oxtail. This is far too little bit of rice. I ain't gonna lie, but there's a lot of oxtail, which I had more rice. And there is some broccoli there. Looks pretty good. Colors on the oxtail looks rich. Doesn't look too black.
Peppercorn.
Right.
Party like it's your birthday. Party like it's your birthday. You know it's you. It's your birthday. You can find me in the club.
Really curious.
Oh, this oxtail melts off the bone good. This is absolutely, why am I running water?
Oh, they got butter beans in there.
There's butter beans in there? All right.
The coconut rice.
One of my pet peeves, I ain't gonna lie, is when people cut my rice. Something about the cupping of the rice is just like, well, why? It feels so old school. All right, but here we go. Yeah, they could definitely cut my rice. It's really home style. Really home style. Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's tender. That's tender.
It's super
Like you can see
tender.
it.
Oh my gosh. One of these? Look at the oxtail. It's like, it's so freaking tender. I'm sorry, Stark, you might not be able to see it so well, but it's very tender.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very
That's good. Oh my gosh. No, that's good. First of all, I really appreciate the color. I don't even, like, for real. You go to a little, like a regular local mom and pop shop, they don't even be doing that. So it has a nice color to it. But there's a, it tastes very home style. Like, you know, that's how I like my oxtail. Like, the color on it is beautiful. You can tell that they braised it first. And then it has a nice home style taste to it. Like, it's not bland, it's not too sweet, it's just right. And it's nice and tender. Oh my God. Okay. I would want more gravy for that rice.
And more your pasta.
It's good. The chicken is definitely grilled. It's not like your regular Rasta pasta. Like, you can taste that they put Parmesan cheese in it, which is not bad. I love that it's piping hot. They got the bell peppers. They got some shavings and carrots in it. The pasta itself is cooked very well. And like I said, the chicken is grilled, so you get a little charcoal, like you get a real grilled taste to it. I wonder how it looked like when they started prepping it.
I just like this oxtail.
Like it was 10 a.m., 5 a.m.
It's not extra. It's just like what it's supposed to be.
Yeah. That was good.
Broccoli. Yeah, it's a little bit overcooked for me.
What, the broccoli?
I like subtle flavor with the garlic and the butter, but it's a little bit too overcooked. And the rice and peas, I know some people go for shunny rice, where each individual grain is separate, but then the grain is still tough. This is separate grains, but the grains are soft. I won't say I'm getting a very strong coconut flavor or strong seasoning, very subtle, but that also works really well with the oxtail with that nice hearty gravy. It's rich, it's beefy, it's got a fattiness to it as well. I'm happy with my choice. I think Monique would have my choice as well. Am I right?
Yes.
So I've just tried their jazzy pasta. It's not a rasta pasta. As a pasta, it tastes really nice. It's rich, creamy. But if you're looking for a rasta pasta, like Momo said, it lacks the spice. It's just going for that. But as a pasta on a whole, it tastes really good. You try the chicken. The chicken looks dry, I ain't gonna lie. But let me try it. Nice grill. It doesn't taste like jerk, it's like a nice grilled pasta. Do I like it? Yeah.
Cheers.
Can you tell that I didn't like it? Our dessert just came and boy am I glad I did not get carrot cake. I ain't gonna lie, if you start putting all them nuts inside of my cake, you gonna make me mad. I just, no. No. I'll try it just for the camera, but no. All right, I'm not the world's biggest cake person, but this looks really good. I love a cake with cream cheese. They have strawberries. Maybe it's just like a strawberry compote, not for sure. And this flour again. Where's his face? And yeah, I just can't. I think the moment that you put walnuts into a carrot cake, it's no longer a carrot cake. All right, let's go.
Yeah. has a nice spice flavor. Like you can taste the cinnamon, the nutmeg, or anything else. I don't know. It has that warm spice.
I would say the flavor is definitely on point. And if you're into walnuts and stuff, you're definitely gonna love it. And it's not obnoxious though.
I think the walnuts are just here.
Oh, yeah, because I'm not feeling any walnuts.
I feel like that's how I'm trying to do it, like have much money for a minute, and then
That's a warm place. It feels kind of soaked, so it's tender.
I was like,
That's good. That's good. Dear Lord, please let my cake be better because I'll be so mad if this is better than mine. All right. That's good. I honestly don't know which one I prefer more. If I want to choose one, unfortunately, I'm going to say it's a carrot cake because I'm more of a carrot cake fan than red velvet. But the cake is moist. Nice cream cheese. Not overly sweet. You won't feel too guilty having this. I wish they had ice cream. Didn't have some ice cream. That would blow the cap off this.
That was what tempted me to get the bread pudding because it came with vanilla ice cream.
Let's try that, bro.
Yeah.
There is a life I lead in this city. Hurrying to cup my
Man,
tea.
it is cold out here. All right, beautiful people. That was an experience and a half. Loved everything about that spot. I think they had more hits than there were misses tonight. So if you're ever here in Manhattan, I believe this is Midtown?
No, it's 46
Yeah.
and 9th Avenue.
Yeah, I believe this is down in Midtown Manhattan. Definitely check them out. It'll be a very nice spot to take family and friends if they're in and around the city, and if you're in and around these parts. What do you think?
I think it's perfect for date night if you're connecting with friends and family. After work meal, really nice. It had a little bit of everything, and it's nice and cozy and quaint.
Okay. All right. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, G things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember,
Keep the link. Happy
Oh, you-
holidays.
oh yeah, happy holidays, guys. I'll see you. Bye. Oh.